ride. Almost at the club, baby, make it ride.
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for coming back to the channel to watch another eventful, exciting, and fun video. Not really. All I'm literally doing today is going to be changing my spark plugs. As you can see here, I got the NGK laser iridium. Got these from Burger Motorsports. Got the whole package. Came with feeler gauge, which I'm going to be gapping them to 0.20. The socket that you need for it, and the gapping tool. Literally put them in there and screw it down. Also got some anti-seize for the threads, and I got some grease for the boot protector. So what I'm gonna do real quick is go ahead and gap these things and then head to the car. So let's get to it. Alright, so got all the spark plugs out, got the gap tool, got the feeler gauge set to 20 thousandths. And if you see that, nope, can't see it, it's not focusing. But yeah, it's at 0.020 as I stand corrected. Alrighty, but first, as always, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like, comment, suggestions, all that other good and fun stuff. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is screw this in here. I'm not going to screw it all the way up. I'm going to screw it to about there, so that it's close enough. And then what I'm going to do is turn this part, this top piece down, and slowly tighten it so that I can get the gap a little closer. So right now, let's see, goes in pretty smoothly. A little bit of bite to it. Gonna go a little bit more. There we go. That is in there. Alright, so I've adjusted it down. It's pretty close at that 20 thousandths. I mean, not bad. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this. Make sure it's still there. Go ahead. So if you don't do it all the way, it'll come back up. So you want to make sure that you crunch it down as much as possible. And there we go. So we got a good gap in there. And it's off. Alrighty. I'm gonna take this one back out. So obviously I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with each one. Alright, that is it. That's all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna put them all back in these boxes, so I don't need that anymore. So all I need is these spark plugs. the tool and the anti-seize and grease that I'm going to be putting on them. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing is pop these up. What I'm going to do now is focus on these front ones that you can actually see, so that you know exactly what I'm doing. So get that off, pull, comes that out. Doesn't smell burnt or anything like that. I'm going to make sure to keep these in order so I know which one came from where. Alright, so we've got all the spark plugs out now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize on the threads of these and then drop them in there. For the number 5, you will need to use a 6-inch extension because the longest one that I have didn't fit. So 6-inch extension will work for all of them, but it definitely needs to be used for number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize on these. Drop them in, put them down, and then put the boot protection on the coils. Alright, so they're all in. Tighten down the back ones already. So I'm gonna do these 3. I'm not exactly sure the torque for them, but I've never been a big fan of like torque and stuff, so just until it's tight. No reason to over tighten them. Alright. Let's get these boots back in. Alright. Now I'll put the coils back in. Just drop them down. I put the grease on the boots already. Keeps out moisture and stuff like that. Drop down the clips, and then so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Alright, that is it for the spark plug change. Thanks for watching another video. Like it again, if you haven't already done so. Like, subscribe, comment any suggestions that you think would be better for the car. It's pretty nice though, but always open for suggestions. And that's it.
Rest in peace, Black Mama.
Catch you later.
Vegas nights playing cards, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit we all eat. Hear me well, no I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my section, did shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.